In this video, we will explain how to set blocks in the Arbiter Sports assigning system. From the main page, click Blocks. Here you'll have different types of blocks you can set. We will discuss date blocks, team blocks, and travel limits. Date blocks are the primary type of block that you should set and maintain throughout the season. It is important to keep your date blocks updated as far in advance as possible. The first block you will need to set is your daily work schedule. For example, if you work Monday through Friday, from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., you would select Block Part Day, then select from 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. Then in the date range, enter a date range. Typically, you will do this for an entire season or an entire year. Here we will select January 1st through December 31st. Select the appropriate days of the week, such as Monday through Friday. If you want to add a note, click the Add Note box and include a note that says something like normal work hours. Then click Apply. You'll see that the calendar changes and all dates have a part-day block shading of a salmon color. If there are days of the week or date ranges that you do not want to be assigned games, you can enter an all-day block. Select Block All Day, then enter the appropriate dates in the date range box. Click the applicable days of the week and then click Apply. You'll see the calendar changes to all dates that have a full day block color, which is a dark red color. Next, let's discuss team blocks. Officials should understand that per the GHSA Constitution and bylaws, they should not work games at any school where they have had a connection in the past. To block a team, simply search for the team, select both JV and varsity, and click Save. Finally, click on Travel Limits. Travel Limits lets you select starting zip codes, days, and distances you are willing to travel for games. Arbiter calculates travel based on the geographic center of a starting zip code and the geographic center of the destination zip code. Typically, you will set a zip code for your work address Monday through Friday, and a zip code for your home address on Saturday and Sunday. However, if you regularly work remotely or in a different location during the week, feel free to set a different zip code. Additionally, if you prefer to have games closer to your home during the week, you can set that as your starting zip code. Be aware that you may need to adjust your part-day blocks to account for additional travel time. To edit travel limits, click the Edit pencil icon, enter the updated zip code, and the distance you are willing to drive, then click the green check mark to save that entry. You can also apply changes to multiple days at once by entering a zip code in the box at the top, a distance, selecting the appropriate days, and then clicking Apply. Please be aware that limiting the distance you are willing to drive will affect game assignments. If you are not getting games, or your assignments are not working for your travel or availability, please reach out to one of the assigners for assistance. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos in this series on navigating the Arbiter Sports assigning system.